Sudden death.
Were you murdered?
Yes.
Whoa.
Crikey.
There's something grunting.
I just heard that. You can hear moving, guys.
Did you make them lights go up? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he was doing just as I turned the camera off for a break.
Will any spirits who didn't come forward and communicate through this? Any spirits come forward and make themselves known? Can some spirits come forward and say hello through this device, please? Can you give us a name, please? Hello. Can you just say hello? About the necrophonic.
There's something here because my head is absolutely killing. Is there someone sat on a bench down there?
Where?
In front of this? Yeah.
Hello, is someone here then with us? Hello? What's that moaning?
Did you hear that? I heard it. Oh.
I heard moaning.
That's what's in here.
Is anyone, can you say hello if someone's there with us?
Dick. Is that?
Can you hear it again?
Yeah.
Jesus. Is there someone here moaning?
Did I say Paul?
And again.
And again, yeah.
That's what I said earlier, that I can hear that keeps on going woo, 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 and it might be about
Who's here with us? What's the
Can't
name
get
of the
that.
person? What's the name of the person that's with us?
Because there's that noise, and then there's a noise quieter than that, so if you keep on listening, you can hear the other noises.
What's your name? I don't know. That's it.
Brody. Would you like
Who are you stood near at the moment?
You stood near a male or a female?
Behind. Who are you behind?
Someone. Her.
Are you behind Vicky?
Yeah.
Can you touch Vicky so she can feel you?
I've just gone really cold.
Is that you affecting Vicky, making her temperature drop? Nothing.
Temperature's dropping.
Can you make a knocking noise for us?
Are you buried in these grounds?
Sounded like it.
Got someone stood behind me.
Temperature's down to 7 behind you.
Someone stood behind John? Can you say John's name?
You?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
James, was that you? It wasn't you moving?
No, I was stood still.
I'm sure I just said bollocks. Why do we always get like the naughty mouth ghost come through? Are you stood behind me?
Whoa!
Yeah.
I don't know, it was like smoke from the bottom of the camera. Just came straight up. You want to check that?
Oh, definitely.
Was that you that just came through?
And again. What is that? John, come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Where are you looking? Stand still.
Just right where it says night shot, underneath. Just watch.
Right, breeze around this.
Not doing it.
It's not doing it there. It's like
I'll see it in the edit, don't I?
Is someone around here with us at the moment?
It's just dropped you out. It's not that temperature.
Freezing here.
Freezing.
Jesus.
Temperature's steady on here though.
It ain't in there.
Come on, Rachel.
It's freezing here.
You stand there, eh?
Jesus Christ.
I dropped down to 4 then. It's gone back up to 7, but it dropped all the way down to 4.
Stop this a minute, because we're not getting on this really, are we?
Like just
Jesus
before
Christ,
you came
starting to
across
shiver.
then, and it went all the way down to 4, and then it went back, it's gone back up to 8.
If you're here with us now, thank you. If that's you that's affecting the temperature, can you drop it even lower, please? Do you think you could get it below minus? On the temperature gun. We can feel it going colder. Can you really push it down for us?
It's just, no. Stabilising.
I think Beanie Hat's going to have to go on in a minute, lad.
it has gone. Really cold, isn't it?
Jeez.
You've got a problem with radiance.
Yeah, mouse tracks on.
Just do a slow pan around. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so we've got the bell tower, which we're just about to go up to now.
I'm not going up
After you've it.
there. No, I'm not going up there. I struggle with things like that.
And just put them back.
3
For any spirits in the bell tower, can you come forward and let us know? Can you move one of the robes?
Just listen.
Can you give us a name? Okay, another.
Guys, just be quiet 2 seconds.
Can you hear it all now?
It's something. I'm hearing like a pulsating.
Who knock?
I heard one knock, yeah.
Think it's safe to go now, or what?
Hey?
Think it'll be safe to go?
I would not say.
Don't know it's secure to it for the room, but it doesn't look overly stable, does it?
That doesn't look stable.
I really want to go on.
Before you go to live, do you want to take the dictaphone and then press
Do
record?
you want to take the camera up with you?
It's just can't carry everything. I'll do. It's just the red button on there. Just press it. Anything else? That's what you got to do. Yeah, you're all good.
Sure.
Hey?
You sure?
Yeah, positive. I'm not really that yet. I'm on this side a little bit. Cheers. It's alright. I'm not doing anything. You speak into the dictaphone, let us know that you're with John. Can you scratch him? What was that? You speak into the dictaphone, let us know that you're with John. Can you scratch him? What was that? Did you just...
No, there was something just dropped. No, something just dropped. It was.
Something like that.
I can't see anything. It must have been a stone or something.
Did you just throw something?
John, did you just throw something? Well, it just dropped a stone or something.
What was that?
Let me get to the bottom.
Did someone just whine? Did someone just go... James is coming up.
I do this for a living. Okay guys, just come up the stairs so I can get some of this on film if there's anything going to happen.
So,
Just shine the torch over here, said John. And see where I'm going. Do another step. Just hold that a sec.
So, you can see guys, we're up in the bell tower and it's very high up here. Right, I'll pass you back to James. Okay, I'll turn the torch off. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. If the spirit's here that was just moving, when I was asking a second ago, can you do it again, please? Can you make them noises again? You moved like you was walking towards me before James come up. Can you make them noises again now, please?
I think I've just seen an orb.
Okay. Can you speak into the dictaphone? Can you tap on one of the bells for us? It's quiet now. Something like shuffled from over that side, but it was coming around this way towards me.
What, round the side of there?
Yeah, sort of like from over that side. It was sort of like a,
Ah, through there, yeah.
yeah, sort of like a,
Yeah.
that sort of noise. Just before we leave, can you make that noise again for me? Can you say hello? Can you tap? Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Coming from up there.
Thank you. Can you do that again? Can you tap once more for us, please? Tap over it, James. If that was you, can you do that once more, please? I do appreciate it. Just do one more tap for us, because we're gonna say goodnight shortly.
Are you able to touch one of us? Pull on John's coat. Are you able to appear on camera next to John? We're going to leave in a few seconds. Can you just make a loud bang to let us know you're here? Or any kind of noise?
Yeah. Yeah.
No. What did you hear?
There was like a ooh, and then the only way I can describe it is, you know when you move and your bones
Yeah.
like that over there. I suppose it could be
Let's see if the
wood
camera's
moving.
picked it up. Yeah, this is quite strong wood up here. It
Yeah.
wouldn't be. I don't think this would be creaking or anything. That's Ralph you can hear downstairs, guys.
Please come forward. Just before we go. Can you make one more noise for us, please, and then we're going to leave.
Please? Please?
Right, should we knock it on the head up here, bud? I
Yeah.
don't think
One
we'll
last
get it.
one last chance to make a bang for us, or a knock.
Yeah. Help. Posing.
No, I'm taking a picture of you guys.
What?
Oh, was you? You could have told us.
Oh, great, that was it. So you're taking a picture of them two stroking each other, have you?
Interesting. Right guys, so we've just finished in the church. Interesting, really interesting, but we're going to go around the graveyard now. Just spend a little bit of time on the outside, and it's actually warmer out here than it is in there. That's crazy.
So I'll do a bit of dictaphone on some of these.
Well, it was
Yeah.
crazy energy in there though.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was definitely.
Got the dictaphone running. Are there any spirits there out here with the
Who's got the K2?
buried?
Oh, you got it. Okay.
Is anyone here?
Shall I
Can they
look at
come
the
forward and give us
temperature?
some
Go for it. Yeah.
name or information?
Yeah, it should be. Well, it feels warmer out here, but
Can you tell us when you died? Was it because of the battle? Illness? Murder? You linked to the medieval village?
Let's take a stroll around that way, James.
So I'll have a listen to these. Might be able to do it in the car actually.
Yeah, that's cool. Is there any spirits here with us? Could you come forward, please? Would you like to communicate?
Noises.
Don't mean any disrespect. You don't mean any harm. Please come forward. Can you tell us that you're here by making the lights on this meter that I'm holding? Go up, please. Can you show me a sign? You just mumble something.
No,
Somebody did.
Not me.
didn't. I've got the dictaphone running, so.
Okay, excellent.
Is there someone in this area with us at the moment?
Look at this flash. And for Vicky to say,
Did you hear that?
yeah,
I didn't.
yeah, that's definitely an owl. Look.
Yeah.
Is there anybody here with us now? Can you make the lights go up if it's just
That's a bird.
possibly a bird?
Yep, we'll discount that
There
one
we
then.
Got that one.
I can't remember what I was going to say. Oh yeah, about the wind when we're sat in the church.
Oh yeah, there's dead.
There's no wind at all.
No, no.
There's zero wind. There's not even a breeze.
There
There's
isn't.
nothing. So you're not hearing the wind at all, Vic. You can't be.
It's like, you know, like on a really aggressive night and you can hear the wind like screaming down the...
Yeah, you
That's
get
what it sounded like.
it. Well, you clearly know it's not that.
Well, it definitely was screaming then. But it just sounds stupid to say it sounds like screaming from a battle when you don't think that there's a freaking battle that's gone on anywhere near the place.
No, but remember, you pick up on things that we don't. So
I
say
know, but I
what you're
still
thinking.
feel stupid for saying those things.
Well, you shouldn't feel stupid. How long have you been with us now?
I know. Yeah, but it's a church, you don't expect those things.
Expect the unexpected.
I know.
If there's any spirits here with us now, can you come forward, please?
You can see in our breaths that there's no wind, look. So that's the bird. It's
Yeah, it is an owl. It's just close. Can one of the spirits come forward, please? Can the spirit from the church come forward? If this is your ground, surely you can still come out here. Can you make the lights on this meter I'm holding go up, please? The more energy you've got, the brighter the lights go. Nothing at the moment.
Blank out here, isn't it?
Feels it. I wonder if it's all stuck inside the church, mate. All the energy.
It's not. There's loads of energy out here as well.
Think so?
Yeah.
Where's Ralph gone? Oh, he's there. There he is.
Because I'm so slim and quiet, you couldn't see me. Come on.
Please come forward if you're here with us. We mean no disrespect, we mean no harm. Follow Vic. She's the compass. You didn't hear it? If there's any spirits here in this area with us, can you make the lights go up on this meter to show that you're here? Please. Just push these lights up for me. Come forward. Use my energy, use Vic's energy.
This is the strongest area, so
Please come forward, don't be afraid. racket of a car you're hearing, guys.
Did you hear that banging?
Did you heard something? No, I didn't hear a bang.
There's just some banging over there.
You bang again?
That's something.
Picking up out on Jen.
No, it's completely blank out here for me. It's
Loads of bottles and stuff
just the norm, really. Vicky said she heard a bang coming from over there, but we asked her out again, couldn't hear anything, but just had a quick scope round with the camera around the corner.
Nothing. If there's any spirits in this graveyard with us, please come forward.
There's definitely something here though, because we've had a lot of activity on the K2, plus something on the...
Not out here, K2's not gone off once.
No, I mean inside, earlier.
Please come forward and use our energy. Make the lights on this meter go up, please, just to show us that you're here. Please.
Would you like to communicate with us?
You're speaking to this dictaphone that's got the red light on. Once you've got enough energy, make the lights go up. It's on green at the moment that John's holding. And you'll make some more lights go up and you'll see the difference.
Please come.
What's that noise?
That's what I have banging. Did you hear it?
Twice. Yeah, I wonder if that. Were you thinking a scream then?
Yeah.
Why did you hear a scream?
It sounded similar. I class it at this stage as not being able to explain what it was, but I wouldn't want to leap down and say it was 100% paranormal or anything.
You'll just be able to hear.
Please come forward. We're going to be leaving soon.
Is that birds?
No, that wasn't bird.
Fox.
There's a fox.
Fox.
That's a bird.
Yeah. Definitely got an eerie stillness about this place, hasn't it?
It has, but it feels
So-
flat out here to me.
Yeah, it's definitely just goes to show there, doesn't it? Like the atmosphere, or the when you look around and you just sort of like
It's
got
not-
the hours sounding and
No, Vic, you're obviously picking up on what we can't sense, Vic. But to me, I mean, in there you could really feel it. Out here, it feels.
But if you touch, you can still feel it because it's within the walls.
Yeah, but I don't know if I've not got your gift ever.
Just focus.
On what?
Just focus on the feelings.
It's
So
wet and cold.
sense-
let me tr- should be warm.
Is that no?
No,
is
like
that not
if you
what should be?
touch, if you touch, you can focus on how does it make you feel? What feeling does it make you feel? Like how does it change the way how you feel when you touch it?
I need gloves.
Other than that,
Is that what you thinking, John?
that's exactly what it was.
I
Wait a
don't.
minute, let me be serious about this.
Well, to be honest, I don't think it makes me feel anything. But maybe I'm not thinking about it in the right way. But it's something that I've never had to do before, Vic. You know. To me, it feels like cold, wet stone.
No, forget about that bit. That's the surface feeling. That's the surface feeling. Try and feel the deeper. How does it feel? What's the energy that you can feel from it? Not the wet. Forget about the cold, wet stone.
Don't know. Sorry.
Still nothing.
You know what, if I had to say anything, it's almost like sadness.
Yeah, there you go.
No, because now if I say anything like that, it's going to make it sound like I'm just copying you.
No, but you can feel it. You can feel it within the walls because the walls walls withhold everything. Like you touch the walls.
No, but before he said that, I was just thinking, I've got this feeling in my stomach, and the only thing you can describe it as is sadness. And he fucking but he sparks up, so now it looks like I'm copying Ralph.
But you can feel it within the walls. When you go somewhere, feel the walls, touch the walls, and you can normally sense what type of a place it is and what type of energy has been around that area. Because the walls sap in the energy.
Just gives me a bit of a knot in my tummy. I don't know what that means though.
There you go. You're actually feeling.
But what does it mean?
It's the feeling that the walls are giving off from you.
But I don't understand what it's saying.
But the more you do it, the more you'll understand.
Okay.
So this is the stone wall theory then,
This is the stone wall.
basically.
It's how the stone saps in the energies that are around. So if you scream, like here, it will lock into the stones. And then years and years down the line, those screams can still be heard through the stones because it keeps in that energy that you've put into the stone. And it's like a film being replayed.
That's why Nottingham's so haunted, because it's limestone, which holds it a lot better.
Yeah.
But it's just theory.
You can't really prove it scientifically.
You can't prove it scientifically, but you can't not prove it either. Like, if you touch the stone, you can feel more from the stone as well. Because you can actually feel the energy from within the stone as well, from the things that have happened.
So I don't know how much of this John's going to cut out.
Yeah, he'll probably cut all of this out.
No, I don't think I will, because it's interesting.
Probably,
People at home want to know about this sort of stuff.
Yeah, there's a stone wall theory. Best thing to do is to look it up on the internet, really. Otherwise we'll be standing here doing a
Stone wall
debate
demonstration.
or whatever. But yeah, the theory is that stone records the happenings and the feelings and the sensations, and the more sensitive are, the more you pick up on, and it's just about tuning in. And so the initial joke about feeling the coldness, the surface,
You're always going to feel
said,
the
you're
cold.
going to get that.
But you've got to feel beyond the cold and the surface, and then actually feel what the stone is giving off, not just the surface.
So would each stone give off a different thing?
No, it would be a generalised in this area. It should be a generalised.
The only difference we've got to remember is whether how much of this is the original building and how much has been moved through.
Yeah.
As
And
well.
then that's what the difference would be. So the original building will feel completely different to old building.
So I couldn't feel anything on this bit, but when I touched that ridge,
That's when you can
that's
feel.
when I felt a little bit.
So that ridge does look older than the bottom, doesn't it?
There you go. Stonewall theory.
Yeah.
Believe it?
Interesting.
Yeah. Believe it? Don't believe it? I don't know. Well, I mean, I'm always happy to experience and learn new things. You know that.
Yeah.
So we'll do that again.
Okay.
Not right now though.
Not right now. Right, guys, we're going to call it a night at that. For myself, Ralph and James, not so much out here. We've not really picked up on much, but inside the church, eerie feelings. Certainly drops in temperature, especially where Ralph was. It's like walking through a cold wall. We've all heard things. Vicky's brilliantly picked up on the battle, which me and Ralph knew about, but we didn't tell her. So well done, Vic. Yeah, that's impressive.
Thanks.
Nice one.
Yeah, I think that was the most impressive thing tonight, really. The sensations.
Yeah.
We'll go hopefully through the edit. Would have picked some stuff up. Dictaphone stuff, hopefully.
Yeah, there is some stuff on that which should have been put into the video. But yeah, what do you think, James?
Yeah, I enjoyed this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting little place.
We'll be back anyway, bigger area to investigate, so there's some fields across the road and that. We want to get into the actual battlegrounds and everything, so we're going to be back here and do a part 2 and give it some justification, I think.
Absolutely, yeah, chase up what we've caught tonight and go forward, I think. But before we shut off, guys, if we can just reiterate, if you ever do your paranormal investigations in a church and you do find it open, or even if you're just wandering around the grounds, please respect what is before you. Yeah, I mean, we always do. Always leave it as you find it. Don't litter or anything like that, and just please be respectful. And it gives everyone in the community, a good name for going forward, really. Don't it?
And this was a good start to the first one back after the national lockdown. So
yeah, so I hope everyone watching this is nice and safe. You made it through.
Yep.
We'll wrap it up at that. Onwards and upwards to the next one, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers, guys.
See you guys.